Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a field located in western Kentucky where a 450 engine horsepower articulated CASE IH STX 450 STEIGER tractor is working on fall tillage with a 29-foot wide Sunflower 1435 disc. In this video, I would like to take viewers for a ride in the tractor's cab as well as sharing its production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this tillage team at work. I'm up in the cab of the CASE IH STX 450. This is the CASE IH Surveyor cab. It has a good view of the field. The tractor's running at just about 5.5 miles per hour. We can see the sunflower disc out here working in the ground. We can see the mirrors have an excellent view. See the access ladder. The tractor has a full bank of air conditioners and all of the controls over here on the right for hydraulics, shift, and all the other functions of the tractor. Has a good turning radius. The CASE IH STX STEIGER series of articulated tractors was introduced for model year 2001. These big machines were produced in Fargo, North Dakota, and included the STX 275, STX 325, STX 375, and STX 440 initially. The top-end model, the STX 440, available as a wheeled and quad-track model, was only produced for model year 2001. An STX 425 and STX 450 would be added to the series in 2002, and then a new STX 500 would top the line starting with model year 2004. The STX 440 model was short-lived with only 1 year of production because in August of 2001, John Deere announced its new top-end model 9520 articulated four-wheel drive, which was rated at 450 engine horsepower. The STEIGER brand of tractors, since its founding in 1958, has had a reputation for offering some of the largest tractors on the market. Not to be outdone by its green and yellow competitor, in August of 2001 at the Farm Progress Show, CASE IH introduced the new STX 450 for model year 2002. The STX 450 was manufactured from 2002 through 2005. It's powered by a 14.9-liter Cummins QSX15 turbocharged aftercooled 6-cylinder 912 cubic inch engine rated at 450 engine horsepower and 395 PTO horsepower. It's fitted with a 300-gallon diesel fuel tank. This tractor features a full power shift transmission with 16 forward and 2 reverse speeds. The tractor can travel from 2.5 up to 19.4 miles per hour. When the STX450 rolled off the assembly line at the STEIGER plant in Fargo, North Dakota, it weighed in at 39,325 pounds. It can be field weighted all the way up to 44,560 pounds. The original list price for this Case IH tractor when it was new was $250,521. This Case IH STX450 tractor is working with a Sunflower 1435 disc. It's running over the field for a second time, preparing a seedbed for organic canola. Chicken litter was spread on the field after the soybean harvest, and this disc has worked the ground twice. Following the tillage passes, the farm utilizes its 355 engine horsepower Fendt 936 Vario tractor teamed up with a John Deere 1790 planter. Normally, you would see this planting team working in the spring to plant 16 rows of 30-inch spaced corn or 31 rows of 15-inch spaced soybeans. The 1790 is also very effective in metering out the small canola seeds that are planted in the fall. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this CASE IH STX450 STEIGER working on fall tillage. I would like to hear in the comment section below the video if you use CASE IH tractors on your farm. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional Big Tractor content, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to 2 more Big Tractor Power videos. As always, thank you for watching.